Ever wondered why the A350 has the highest reputation for being over-engineered, even among pilots? Because once you dig into how this aircraft is built, you start to realize just how far Airbus pushed its design to the limits. Now, amazing A350 engineering wonders on quite vibrant channel. The A350 is built in two variants, A350-900 and the longer fuselage A350-1000. It's capable of carrying up to 480 passengers in a single layout. Just imagine why it sparked so many debates. Let's start with the fuselage. This is one of the core components of this aircraft, and it is composed of 53% carbon fiber. Carbon fiber was selected for use because it's strong, light, efficient, and most importantly, does not conduct electricity. So Airbus added a metallic lightning protection mesh across the entire body. And some call that smart engineering, while others see it as the first sign of extra layers on top of already existing layers. Then there is the wing. Airbus gave the A350 aircraft one of the best wings in aviation. This wing can flex up to 6 meters. It constantly changes shape to redistribute loads and smooth out turbulence. It's one of the factors that Airbus A350 is one of the most secure aircraft in its class and has a low record of crashes compared to other planes in its class. Others call it a perfect SUV of the skies. Airbus built Airbus A350 planes with a computerized aerodynamic system that easily adjusts itself every second. To many, that is brilliance. And to others, it is engineering just taken further than most jets would ever need. Whereas most airliners use one family of flight control computers with backups, the A350 uses two completely separate families, PRIMS and SECS, each running different software architectures. They cross-check each other constantly. That is redundancy built on top of redundancy, but depending on how it's being used. For example, older jets warn you when you are already inside wind shear, but the A350 warns you before you reach it. It used Doppler radar to predict hazardous energy changes in advance, and this is so amazing. Another layer, another system, another point in the debate. And before the wheels even touch the runway, the A350 has already decided the ideal exit point. This plane is so amazing that it also calculates braking force, distance, and heat load, all before it touches down on a runway. Whereas passengers think the rollout feels smooth, pilots know the aircraft already did the maths by itself. Because carbon fiber flexes differently from aluminium, the pressurization system of the A350 had to be redesigned from scratch. Thus, smoother pressure cycles, reduced structural strain, and are great for comfort. But far beyond traditional long-haul engineering, in other aircraft, Airbus also gave A350 amazing high-tech additions like triple redundant electrical architecture, particularly for its flight controls, using independent, physically segregated electrical networks, 3AC, 3DC, backed by diverse power sources, generators, APU, external power, and components, ensuring fault tolerance and high reliability through layered backup and dissimilarity to prevent single-point failures. even integrating 3 hydraulic systems with 2 electrical backups for critical flight surfaces. A 350 is also built with isolated avionics bays, independent cooling paths, multiple backup generators, backup batteries, and a ram air turbine as the final safeguard. Even our Rolls-Royce built special engines exclusive for this jet, the Rolls-Royce Trent XWB, not adapted, but designed specifically for the A350. This is where the argument begins. Is this just world-class engineering or engineering built with more layers than anyone else would dare to think or use? So what do you think? Is the A350 probably the smartest, safest, most advanced long-haul jet flying today? Or is it packed with more systems than any pilot realistically needs? Be honest. Which side are you on? Leave us a comment or two in the comments section. If you liked this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment and share with your friends, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch our other videos.